Hello everyone, Code Purpose here. We are going on with our 35th exercise named Puppy and Sum. Yesterday, Puppy Tazik learned a magically efficient method to find the sum of the integers from 1 to n. He denotes it as sum of n. But today, as a true explorer, he defined his own new function, sumDn, which means the operation sum applied to d times the first time to n, and each subsequent time to the result of the previous operation. For example, if d is equal to 2 and 3, then sum to n is the sum of 3, which means the sum of 6, which is 21. If we had 3 here, we will have the sum of 3, which is the sum of 6, which is the sum of 21. The first line contain we have t integers and for t test cases, and for each test case we read the d and end, and we are going to define our function. So let's go and write the code there in t d n, and firstly read t, after that make the cycle that will go through all the test cases, and in the beginning of each test case we'll read the d and end, and after that it will output the result from the function sumDn and a new line. So up there we are going to define the function integer function, because as I saw there, the constraints, yes, the numbers are small, so that won't be a problem. We won't have big numbers, so to use bigger data type of integer. So the name of the function is that, and here we have. Also, I'm going to declare another function named sum, which here I'm going to use the Gauss method to find the sum of the first n number starting from 1 to n. And here I'm going to make a for cycle, I starting from 1, I going until it reaches d, I plus plus, and I'm going to say that n is equal to sum of n, and at the end I'm going to return n. And for example, if I get here 2 test cases and I print 2 3, it gives me 21, but if I put 3 3, it gives me 231, which is 21 multiplied by 22 divided by 2 that's the result. So I'm going to copy this function and add all this code, including the function, going to submit button, and I'm going to paste it there and submit it. So we check if we solve the exercise correctly. Yeah, that's the correct solution. Thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the red button right below the like button. Also, turn on notifications by clicking the notification bell to not miss the upcoming videos. See you soon on Code Purpose.